Imagine making money online from pins you post once, no hustle, no constant posting, just smart strategy. Today, I'll show you how beginners are turning Pinterest into a steady income stream and how you can too. Hi, I'm Rebecca, a CPA, homeschooling mom, and online entrepreneur. In less than 2 years, I grew my Pinterest account to over 1.5 million views, and I help women create remote income and a soft life outside the hustle. All right, let's dive in, and I'll show you what most beginners miss, how to pin effectively, and how pins lead to real income. So the first thing beginners often overlook is content choice. To see what your audience is searching for, I like to check this website, Pinterest Trends. This shows what's currently popular in my niche and gives me ideas for content that people actually want. Remember that Pinterest is a search engine, not a social media platform. So users are looking for answers or solutions. Start by picking 3 to 5 topics for your blog or niche. Create helpful content or blog posts around these topics first, then design pins to promote that content. Focus on evergreen topics so your pins keep driving traffic over time. If you're not sure where to start, my free guide, 15 Things to Do Before You Start Pinning, gives a simple checklist to get you going. The link's in the description below. So next, it's time to design your pins. So you want to make sure to use bold, clear text and high contrast colors so they stand out in the Pinterest feeds. Also keep your layout simple and avoid clutter. Always include your blog URL somewhere on the pin, even if it's small, to reinforce your brand and make it recognizable over time. And for more on designing pins that convert, check out my pin design video in the description. A good rule of thumb is to focus on clarity and readability first. Your pin should clearly show what the viewer will get when they click. So scheduling is simple with the Pinterest native scheduler. I usually create 8 to 10 pins per blog post and spread them out throughout the month so I don't have to post daily. So this is another thing that beginners often overlook, is pinning efficiently and effectively. So to keep track of what I have pinned and what I'm going to pin, I use this simple spreadsheet, and it's part of my Pinterest AI prompts and planner bundle. It helps me stay consistent and avoid duplicating content. The link's in the description if you want to check it out. Now, here is the part that most beginners don't realize. Pins can actually make you money, and here's how. Digital product sales. Your pins can link directly to a product or to a blog post that promotes your product. Blog ad revenue. Pins drive traffic to your blog, which increase page views and ad revenue. YouTube ad revenue. Pins can link to your blog post with videos or directly to YouTube videos, boosting watch time and monetization. Affiliate sales. Now, I don't recommend linking directly to affiliate products on Pinterest. Instead, pins can drive readers to helpful blog posts where you can naturally mention your products or tools. This way, you provide value first and avoid coming across as being overly promotional. And also, email list growth. Pins that lead to a freebie or lead magnet can get people onto your email list. Once they're there, you can share your products, courses, or digital tools directly with an engaged audience. So basically, each pin is a traffic magnet that could feed multiple income streams like products, ads, YouTube, or affiliates, all without the hustle. So here are a few extra tips for beginners on Pinterest. First, pin your own content before you pin other people's content. Use keywords in your descriptions, titles, pin text overlay, and boards to improve search visibility. Consistency over volume. Even 10 pins per week consistently beats random mass pinning. And finally, use tools like my Pinterest AI prompts planner bundle or free templates to speed up creation and to stay organized. So remember, Pinterest can make real money for beginners if you choose the right content, create pins that stand out, schedule consistently using Pinterest native scheduler, track your pins and repurpose them for multiple income streams, and use tools and templates to save time. Even with a small amount of effort each week, pins can drive traffic, email signups, and sales over time. Thanks so much for watching. If you want a little extra help growing your Pinterest account, I'm opening a few one-on-one coaching and audit spots. The link's in the description below to join the waitlist. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.